somewhere to cross, but nothing is looking promising. Will this be the spot where we finally cross the river?
Hope so. I've got a survival line.
This is where we're crossing the river, and I'm looking forward to it.
Across the river, Nguza River. We're on our way up the trail towards Rockeries Pass. We're about a k.5 from Scaly Cave right now. So when we get there, we can decide whether we'll spend the night there or try and get up the pass in the dark.
There's our cave, Scaly Cave. It is, what's the time?
6:23.
6:23, so that's 2 hours. Now what time do we start? Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours and 2 minutes so far.
Okay. To do 4Ks.
Without much elevation gain.
Let's see. Oh, it's 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Whew.
I'm just happy we're out of the rain.
Yeah, we didn't actually get rained on, which was good.
Yeah.
And we didn't get struck by lightning.
The night is still young.
The night is still young because we're in a cave and you can't see anything here, but caves are not safe places. Well, it's not as safe as you would think. But at least it'll be dry.
8 meters away.
Did you see that?
I did. It's hard to miss. Our GPS said 8 meters away when we were over there, so it must be this.
It must be, yeah.
I mean, it's quite a big cave actually.
It is.
It's very sheltered.
This is the cave. Fun. Do you have other socks?
No, it's fast and light hype. I would have other socks.
I've got socks for sleeping.
I'm getting why your backpack's over heavier than mine.
So, for dinner, cheese and crackers and cucumber, and I'm having a hamburger I made at home. And yeah, first night with no cooking stuff. Not too bad.
And luckily, unlike if you were carrying cooking stuff, your the weight of the hamburger you're eating is sorted out for tomorrow morning, and you don't have to carry it again tomorrow.
It will be gone! My bag is lighter already. Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. We're having fruit rolls for breakfast. Well, that's what you're having. I'm having an energy bar, except I'm not having it now because it's 4 a.m. 4:15. We have to be hiking in 15 minutes.
I'm almost ready.
Yeah, same. What a beautiful morning to be alive. So today we have 2,600 meters elevation to climb. If you don't have enough water to get to the top, this is where you have to fill up. Because now we go up. $547 and we're at 2,429. Mixing some game.
Get your game face on.
I used to do that, but now I don't mix these thingies anymore. I just drink water and rehydrate at the end of the day. Look, 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 look. We've now climbed 812. And we've done 4 Ks only. Snack break. What are you having?
Chips. Spelled with a TJIPS.
And there's Rockeries. And we've climbed 900 meters. And we're 2,787. Do you know what's so crazy? The first time that I was here, we took basically the whole day. We were here after lunch because we had lunch lower down. And now, okay, also we started from right at the bottom, not from the cave. I don't know what the point of the story was. But I just thought you should know.
I didn't realize you're filming. Are you still filming?
I'm still... We're on top.
8:20 in the morning.
This is our first ridge of the day. So we're back to up the ups.
Bad news is, this is actually our easiest ridge for the day.
What was this river called again?
The
Nguza River. Our second ridge for the day, Ntonjalana Ridge. And we are at 1,223 meters and we still haven't done 10 Ks. But he's done 10 Ks. That's what his watch tells him.
It's right there. South Saddle Pass.
The worst pass in the Drakensberg.
Yeah. You get to choose between thorn bushes and going through those plants that when you bump them they choke you. A very unpleasant experience going down that path.
Look at the sky. There might be a change of plans.
Monk's Cowl, Champagne Castle, Cathkin, Turret Amplet, Stackhorn and Tunja.
That's where we're going down. Ntonjalana Gap. The clouds are rolling in. At least we are on a trail. We're going to a new cave now because it looks like it's going to rain. What's the name of the cave?
Mnweni Cave.
Mnweni Cave. So we're gonna go and have lunch there. It's 12:30, and then see. It's getting so cold. En route to the cave. Look how steep it is. Here it is. But this is not a sleeping cave. Well, not too bad actually.
It's better when you get to it.
At least we'll be out of the rain.
Yeah.
We made it just in time.
I know the berg well enough to know there's a high probability that in 20 minutes time it's going to be back.
Just having some snacks in the cave. Watching it rain. The storm has passed over us. Oh yeah, what a day. In this weather. Sometimes the mountain decides for you. It's so beautiful though.
You're on trail exactly.
Whoa. Yeah. It's so nice after it has rained.
It's like a small little peak, and you can see there's a trail going through the saddle there. The cave is on the other side of that saddle.
Our cave?
Yeah.
I thought it was here.
No. There's a long way to go. That's why I'm saying it's a good choice for a thunderstorm, because at least it's down a bit and in a corner.
Yeah. How beautiful. Down here is Twins
yeah.
Pass.
Yeah, the Scaly is Twins Pass.
I've never spent so much time in caves.
And how's that for a view from the cave?
That is beautiful. Spectacular. Oh, there's the bed with some hay, shotgun best spots. Goodbye Twins Cave, and now we're going down Twins Pass. It will be a first for both of us because Jonathan has done everything. How many passes are there in the Drakensberg?
About 150 documented ones.
And he has done 116. This will be 117. Look how far we've come. Look how far we still have to go. Now we can refill on our water because we had run out. I'm talking to the camera, not you. He's gonna go check around the corner because there is an obstacle ahead of us. Said obstacle is a potential waterfall. We're taking the obstacle route because the other route is a bit exposed. Check how they open. No one's looking at the flowers. What a morning. Look at that. We've left the obstacle behind us. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now because I'm slipping. There's the obstacle, yeah? There's trails over there. So we're gonna go onto one of those at one stage. After the slopey mess. It doesn't look like anything on here, but it's so steep. If you fall here, you're just gonna roll and poo-poo.
It's called the DFU zone. You can't stuff up.
Look at that waterfall. Once we hit the trail, we'll be hitting speeds of 10 km per hour.
If I'm correct, the route we're currently on is the one in Tanzania past the Welcome to the most eroded trail in Drakensberg.
At least we know it goes home. There, those two little thingies. That's where we were. Now we are here. We still gotta go there. 5 hours in. No, we're not. We're 4 hours in.
Doesn't feel like a very good trail.
Well, it's the one we're on. And now we're back on the road and off to the center we go. Just 6 k's. We've done 10 so far. And we are here. Ah, finally.